Hello, you're welcome to your Fred Excel lesson for today. Our data set represented here consists of a list of library materials indicating the quantity sold, cost per item, and the total amount sold from Monday to Wednesday. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, here, let's say we'd like to copy and paste the total amount sold on each day onto our summary sheet here. Now note that by default, when you copy and paste in Excel, everything in the source cell or range, be it the data, formatting, formulas, validation, comments and all, is pasted to the destination cells. So for instance, let's try copying the total amount sold on Monday here to our summary sheet. Now to copy, you hit on the Control key and the C key on your keyboard, and let's paste here on our summary sheet, Control V. So you realize that it gives you this value error, meaning that the variable supplied is not of a supported type. Now to fix this, we'll have to copy and paste our data as values, to paste only the values of the copied data as displayed in the cells. So let's undo and copy our data here. Next, we'll choose our new location in our workbook to paste the values into, which is the summary sheet here. Then, press the Control key, the Alt key, and the V key on your keyboard to display this Paste Special menu here. Then, you select Values from the Paste option and press OK. Then there you have your data pasted in values. So let's do same for Tuesday and Wednesday. Alright. So let's generate our total here. You hit on the Alt key and equal to key on your keyboard. And here we are good to go. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.